Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Greenhouse Garden Block of the Month and Sew Along. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, I'm going to give you some tips as you begin to make your 8th greenhouse garden block. If you've been sewing along with us, this month's block comes together very similar to previous blocks, specifically block 4 with the flowers on the cactus. If you need some extra tips for paper piecing this month, be sure to rewatch the video tips for block 4, as well as my tiny foundation paper piecing video tutorial. You might find that helpful for these sections in the flowers. The links to those additional videos are below. I can't wait to see all of your blocks come together. Thank you again for being here and for sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with more tips. In the meantime, be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Greenhouse Garden hashtags found on the pattern. And tag me so we can all check out what you're working on. Or I'd love for you to email me your photos of your block. My email address can be found in the pattern. See you next month and happy sewing.